Shenzhen F Energy Technology Company Limited is established in 2009. We focus on wall charger, car charger, power bank, wireless charger, and USB cables. We have become a large high-tech enterprise engaged in the research and development, production, sale of mobile accessory over decades of development and evolution. It is proud of its growth and reputation based on professional dedication, and it feels greatly honored to be a partner in its customers' success by offering them good quality products, excellent service with timely delivery. Shenzhen F Energy Technology Company Limited owns industrial area of nearly 12,000 square meters, with 434 trained workers and turnover of 50 million USD. We are able to provide a complete set of ODM and OEM service pack from the very beginning of product design to the final realization of actual goods. Our products sell well in China, America, Middle East, and Europe. Our products have been accredited with major international system certifications: ETL, FCC, CE, ROSE, CCC, EMC. Shenzhen F Energy Technology Company Limited is inspired by its commitment that delivers value to our customers. We insist on the modern management theory with the strategic guidance of self-design, independent management, and free competition. To innovate, to accumulate, to become the good manufacturer in China, standing at a new starting point, new level, F Energy will embark on a new journey.